Welcome to a kitchen that perfectly balances modern design with a warm, inviting atmosphere. Your eyes are immediately drawn to the beautiful contrast between the natural lightwood cabinetry and the sleek, dark countertops. The space is anchored by a generous central island, a perfect hub for everything from morning coffee to evening meal prep, adorned with fresh, colorful fruit that hints at the culinary creativity this kitchen inspires. High-end stainless steel appliances, including a spacious refrigerator and a professional-style range hood, are seamlessly integrated, promising both style and performance. The classic white subway tile backsplash adds a touch of timeless elegance, brightly illuminated by recessed ceiling lights. This isn't just a place to cook, it's a thoughtfully designed space meant for gathering, creating, and making memories.